In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to zoom in on Trello. Whether you're managing a project, collaborating with your team, or simply trying to keep track of your personal to-do list, sometimes the default view just isn't enough to capture all the details. So let's dive into how you can zoom in to make everything clearer and easier to read. First, you'll want to head over to Trello.com. Once you're on the homepage, it's time to log in. You have several options here. You can use your Google, Microsoft, Apple, or Slack credentials, or you could simply use your email address if that's more convenient for you. Once you've decided on your preferred login method, look towards the upper right corner of the page and click on that login button. This will prompt you to enter your information and take you straight into your Trello workspace. Now, with Trello open, let's focus on how you can zoom in to see those cards and lists more clearly. The easiest way to do this is to use your browser's standard zoom controls. If you're on a Windows PC, simply press Ctrl and the plus key on your keyboard. For those using a Mac, the command is slightly different, but just as straightforward, use CMD and the plus key. Each press will incrementally enlarge the view, making everything on your board appear larger and more readable, which is especially useful when you're dealing with a lot of information cluttered into one screen. If at any time you want to return to the default view, you can easily zoom out by pressing Ctrl and on Windows or CMD and on Mac. Alternatively, most browsers also allow you to reset the zoom level by hitting Ctrl plus or CMD plus on Macs, which is handy if you've zoomed in too far and want a quick reset. Now here's an extra tip. While zoomed in, you might also want to use your mouse or trackpad to navigate across your board. This way you can focus on different sections without having to constantly zoom in and out. It also ensures you're not missing out on any important tasks or deadlines that might be off screen. And there you have it. Zooming in on Trello is a simple yet effective way to customize your view and ensure you're seeing everything you need to without squinting or missing key details. Whether it's for a clearer view during a team presentation or simply to make your daily task checklist easier to read, just a few keystrokes can vastly improve your user experience. Happy organizing!